Shaped. There are several ways to make money with ChatGPT or any other AI language model like it. Developing and selling AI-powered applications. ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation tools, which can be sold to businesses or individuals. Consulting and training services. You can offer consulting and training services to help businesses and organizations integrate and make the most out of AI language models like ChatGPT. Research and development. ChatGPT can be used for research and development in various fields such as natural language processing and computer science. And you can monetize your findings through publications, patents, or licensing agreements. Data annotation and cleanup. ChatGPT requires large amount of data to be trained and fine-tuned. Providing data annotation and cleaning services to companies is another way to make money. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate content such as articles, blog posts, and scripts. You can monetize this content by selling it to publishers or using it to drive traffic to a website and earn money through advertising or affiliate marketing.